Today we put Qwen 3.8 27B head-to-head with its older counterpart, Qwen 3.6.
Are the results worth it? Are they really worth it? Tell us in the comments.
Same card, same brief, 2 generations of one model in one take. This is what one of them built. And this is the other, from the exact same words. Which is the older, which is the newer, and which one you'd want to play? That's the video. I'm Ash, from Off the Cloud AI. A secondhand 3090 this time, 24 gigabytes, and nothing loaded. The brief goes in, a proper one, a complete Flappy Bird, clouds, hills, sound, a demo mode that plays itself. Sent, and Qwen 3.6 comes up off the drive, 16 gigabytes in 13 seconds. There it is, writing straight away. Thinking is off for both, so this is the code arriving. 3 minutes of writing, sped up, the label says by how much. The counter under it is real.
Look at it go.
And it lands. 5,900 tokens, 3 minutes 10, 31 tokens a second. And the game is already playing itself in the preview. And a card saying where it saved it. A real file on the disk. Now, opened in a browser.
Ooh, here we go.
Full screen, not a picture of a game. The file it wrote, open in a browser. Nobody's touching it. That's the demo mode the brief asked for, flying itself through the pipes. Clouds at 2 speeds, hills, a bird that tilts, and a tight gap, 170 pixels, from the first pipe. 17, and it clips a pipe. That's the older one. Now the newer one gets the exact same words. New chat, so nothing carries over. Then the picker, 3.8. The same brief, pasted character for character, sent. Watch the top. It puts 3.6 away and reads 3.8 up instead. The card holds 1 at a time. That swap is the whole trick. 16 seconds, 16 gigabytes out, 16 in. Loaded, and writing. Same speed. Watch the token count though. Nearly 5 minutes of writing, sped up. True factor on screen.
That is so cool.
And it lands. 8,700 tokens. 4 minutes 42. 31 tokens a second, same as the other one. It didn't go faster. It did more. And there's its card. Opened in a browser. Its own window, already flying itself. A sun with a glow, layered clouds, shaded pipes with rims. Now, the gap. The newer one opens it wide, 230 pixels, and only tightens it as you score. 11. And it's done. The older one starts at 170. You're working from the first pipe. The newer game is the easier game.
2 very different games.
Both recordings from this take, mined up at the moment each request began, and sped up by exactly the same amount. Same brief, same card. The counters underneath are the real elapsed time and the real token counts. Look at the tokens a second. 31 on both. Nothing about the newer model is faster on this card. 3.6 is done, 3 minutes 10 of real time. 3.8 is still writing, and keeps writing for another minute and a half of real time.
And it's still going.
Done. Half as much code again and half as much time again. Better is a judgment call, and you've seen both games, so it's yours.
So what did all of that actually cost?
Time to see what they cost. Let's look at the numbers. Here they are together, both flying themselves. The older one on the left, the newer one on the right, and under each, what it cost. Same speed. The newer model writes more and takes longer because it writes more. And the easier game is on the right. The one that makes you work is on the left. Which you play is your call.
Hold on. Before anyone picks a winner,
there's more. 6 more briefs, both models. Before we go, more briefs, same 2 models, older one on the left, newer one on the right, and every page here runs. An aquarium. Both models wrote it, then tested it in a browser before saying done. A product cube in CSS, drag to spin.
Oh, I love the cube.
Northern Lights over lake, same words to both.
That one's gorgeous.
Synthwave again, on a different seed, a different sunset each time. Same card, same words, 2 working pages every time. Every brief, every setting, every number from tonight is in the description, so you can run this yourself. Tell us what to put through it next. That's Off the Cloud AI. I'm Ash. Thanks for watching.